those ones you could come back in 2 weeks from now, and they would be 6 to 8 inches tall.
She found 4 right here.
4?
In a little cluster.
Yeah.
Cool.
Chris has said that this is the biggest ash in the woods, and he finds morels under here all the time, and this year, none. So, pretty much suck-ass season.
It's one big ash tree. The ash are barely leaving out right now. They have little, the leaves in the top are just starting to leave out, but they have like a diamond-shaped bark, and about that size ash tree and larger is what you're looking for.
And when you look at the base of an ash, are you kind of backing off?
The bigger the tree, the further away the morels can be. Now over there, down over the hill, there's a giant ash, so you might go 20 feet away on that one. This one here, maybe 10 feet.
Okay.
The bigger the tree, the further away you can hunt. This is a good size ash, so they could be 10 to 15 feet out because they're associated with the roots. And,
wow, he's tucked right in there, isn't he?
Where is it?
Right in there.
Fisher, he stepped right on it. Way to go, Fisher, get out of here. Now, a lot of people just aimlessly go to the woods like this, and I'd say 90 to 95% of everybody that's up here hunting right now, they're just in the woods walking, and they don't really even know that it's associated with the tree. I mean, word has gotten out over the last few years, but there'll be a scattered one here and there for no reason, but they're mycorrhizal with ash trees, and that's what you got to look for.
Okay.
Go. This is ash right here. That's why they're fruiting on the ash. So go ahead and pick them. I would have thought there'd have been more than 2.
Everybody see him that wants to see him?
I think so.
Was that covered or was it just peeking?
It was peeking. I found it. I mean, that's a stroke of luck, because I really didn't the first tree I looked under, I didn't expect to find it. It's not going to be like that the rest of the day.
Yeah.
There's another big ash right straight through there. See the diamond-shaped bark?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
With drip edge in, basically.
Yep. First morels of the day. Under an ash in the background. That couldn't be a better picture. All right. That's a typical ash scenario. You start, now the thing about this, if you remember this tree, it'll be a producer every year. So the same ash trees usually produce every year. Another nice yellow under ash. Okay, we are killing them. We got an ash tree right here. Look at that clump right there. Isn't that something? 2 more right there.
Right here.
Another one over there.
Oh, and there's a couple small babies coming up still.
Oh yeah. Here's an ash tree. You can see the leaves just starting to come out on the top of it. Gray, come on up right there. One coming up right there. One there. I see some up the hill there too. They're definitely fruiting on ash in Illinois this year. Big ash tree, bottomland. Nice big morel, totally fully mature. The blacks like ash trees too. This is an ash tree, a little tiny ash tree in the middle of the woods. And you got all these blacks around it. Right up on the trunk of the tree. All the way around it and up here. I see a bunch of morels around this tree. Got an ash here. Thanks, David. A big ash tree along a creek in Georgia. Big ash there for sure. No. Find a morel? All right. First morel of the day. Well, that's different than yesterday. You found one the whole day. Now you're the first today. All right. Good job.
I dig it.
See Elijah? All right, it's been how many years for you?
Many.
All right, well, you still got the knack for it, don't you? That's a beauty. Nice gray there, huh?
Did you see one over there?
Yeah, it went back in the hole. If you don't pick it right away, it goes back in the hole, and I can't.
Yeah.
It's a little gray, and now I can't see it. Oh, here it is, right here. Two of them right here. Beautiful ash. That's right. It's a beautiful ash there. Yeah, there's 200 ash.
You had one over there, Chris?
No.
Oh.
No.
Where's your big one?
On up here.
Oh my. Oh wow. Oh, I'm not gonna say what I'm thinking. Oh, Andy. No, not gonna say it. Andy. Oh, this one. Oh, there. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
We hit unbelievable mother loads, so I hope I didn't spoil you newbies because it's not like this normally.
I'm sure we're gonna have more than.
Yeah, we hunted and we ate, and now we're still bringing them home. It'd be like touring soup taste.
Good.
Good. Yep.